Thank you for having me this morning นะครับ I will go very fast because our time is limited นะครับ My name is Mr.Ditsapol Padungkul. I'm used to be the president of Thai Railway Engineering Association last 5 years ago ครับ My expertise I don't want to say expertise like actually I'm start from the civil engineer to be the civil engineer, and after that I'm doing the construction, and the construction the business is the competition is strong, so I moved to the railway. After some years, sometimes the railway as the P. Malut said, the competition is strong also. So now because now the like a project of the railway project is delayed. So last 5 years I got the project at the Sumpavakup airport with the partners to implement the people mover in the Sumpavakup airport. So I go to in the topics I want to address about we want to expand the capacity of the competency of the people mover to the metro. Actually, I used to present this presentation at the Pacific Rail last year about I want to implement this system to the Pathum Thani province, but didn't start yet. Okay, I will not go through some system or something that is same as the goal line. I will skip. Okay, the APM Suvarnabhumi, we actually is the train link between the existing terminal to the new terminal, the satellite one. The length between this terminal is around 1 kilometers. The subsystem is quite same. Not only the goal line, not only the APM is quite same as the railway in Thailand. So we have train, we have guideway, we have the ATC, the power, the communication, PSD, OCC, and depot. It's the same. I want to compare with the cement train and the Bombardier train, but now there is no more the Bombardier, then it's the Alstom. It's quite same, but the standard is quite different. Actually, this APM, the airport APM, it was developed by designer in US, because in US the airport is quite big. So many designer or many the standard is from USA. But this project we brought the European train is from the cement. So it is better if actually in the bidding time we discussed with the AMR to join, but finally we cannot. So we implement the cement train. Actually, cement train is very nice. As you know, we have in the BTS line, MRT line, the extension, many. And in this project also, they introduce very cutting edge. But about the very new technology is we have some problem because of the many sensor. Sometimes actually about the run flat situation. If like Innovia, we do the daily inspection, but for the cement we no need. We use the sensor, but sometimes the sensor is problem. They show that the tire is run flat, but actually it's not. Okay, this is the I think that some people can here use it already. Okay, this is the guideway. Is the length of the guideway is quite same as the goal line. We do the guideway around 5.5 kilometers. So mean we have 2 loops, and we have the depot, we have the test track also. This one is the section of the guideway. Different from the goal line that P. Malut said is different. In this project, we do the track work, the trackway by ourselves. We have some problem. We cannot say the problem is like in the spec they mentioned about the test. Finally, we went to Nalesorn University to do the test for our surface. Okay, this one is the finished surface that we do, and we have to not to how to say liab, not too smooth or too coarse. So we have to do in the middle. And this one is the way that we do is quite difficult to finish the surface of because it is the rubber tie. So if you do the very coarse, the rubber tie will use very rapid. And this one is the installation of the guideway. It's quite different from the goal line that it is the I-beam, but this one is the specific rail from Belgium. And okay, sorry, I think we move very fast, too fast. This is one is switch that we brought from Oslo in Strasbourg. So in this topic that we discussed about the local content is quite difficult in the railway. I think that the network TRRN want to expand or enhance our capacity of the local content. So the CBTC is same as the goal line. It's diverless GOA4, and everything is quite same. So I will not go too much. And this one is the power rail for the rubber tie, because there is no the steel wheel. So we have to have the return of the current back to the source. So we have to have third rail and fourth rail. This we bought from Rehau, Germany. And this one is the power distribution that we install. As you say, it's very dangerous because once we operate, we cannot let the people in the area. This one is the communication. So same as the goal line, we have the backbone network system. We have the PA system to announce the everything to the passenger. We have the voice recording system. This one it was implemented by our team with the Thai engineers. And different from the goal line, we have the full height, not half height. We have the full height because GOA4, it is the regulation that if the GOA4 diverless, every station, every platform must have the PSD. This one is the layout, the drawing that we design, different from others. Like we have the emergency door, we don't have the fixed panel. We can, like once we have the emergency incident, we can push every door we can push from the operation side. This one is the OCC was designed by Siemens about the economic system. So this is the depot workshop at the area at the end of the line after, actually we call after the satellite one. And this one is the different from other that we design by ourselves. We use the bus the bus watcher to implement to the system. We design, we request for approval from the designer and the customer, and finally we got and different from normal the train watch from in everywhere, because the train watch, the machine will stay and train will pass through. But in this one, train stop and the train watch is moved. And this one is the MRV, maintenance recovery vehicle. We join design with the Korean supplier, because this supplier they supply the MRV, the working train for pink and yellow line. Okay, I want to express more about the advantage of the APM. We have to do the dedicated tag, but the cost is more higher. Diverless, so the diver, we don't need a lot. As you may know, the operation cost is mostly is the high link of the diver. So the diverless is a complicated system. In the beginning, we have some problem with because we use the frequency of the Wi-Fi to carry the information of the train, and we have some interference from the mobile operator. Finally, AOT made decision to remove the mobile antenna. So it's quite, if you use the very simple one, it may be not problem. And rubber tire is the advantage is the good acceleration. Like the station, you can shorten than 1 kilometer, like a 600 or 700, and you can move from the first station A and go to station B, and you can brake the brake distance may shorter. But the rubber tire, you have the problem because sometimes the rubber tire is run flat, so tire fat. So the structure gauge will be bigger. The CBTC, as you know, as P. Marut said, is the shorten the headway, but it's more expensive. So PSD, as I told you before, that in GOA4, the regulation is we need PSD. So PSD is the cost of system, and PSD is the moving part. So once everything moving, you have to do the maintain. So this one is the feeder line at the lens in France that use the same model as the Suvarnabhumi. I think the shape is look nice, and I think that if we implement in the road of the Langsit Nakhon Nayok, I think that it is quite same this. This one is the station. So you will see it's very minimal. So we don't need to have the concourse. We can buy the ticket online or use the mobile and go to the escalator and use the mobile to pass the gate into the station area, the platform. No need to have the concourse area and ticket area. So this one is my motivation to implement the APM and go to the metro. And I think the thing that I want to express more about the local content is like from Go Live and Suvarnabhumi APM. I think that we canคนไทย can do the this type of train by ourselves, and we need some the researcher, and we need some investor like a PMUC, and we need some cooperation with the user like a urban like a Pathum Thani province, something like that. So actually I want to if some researcher or someone want to work together with me or my team, we can work together. Please contact me after this. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We have few minutes for questions from the floor. Any questions?